In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to full backup your WordPress site using all-in-one WP migration, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Add New from Plugins. Then search for all-in-one WP migration, install the first one from the results and then activate it. Once done, here you will get three options in it: Export, Import, Backups. Now select it and first you have Export Site option. From here you can find text and replace it with another text in the database. Click on Export to button and here you have all the formats options. Let's select File and now it is exporting. Once done, you can see the backup file size for your site, and when you click on this download button, it will be downloaded in your system. So this is how you can back up your WordPress site. Thank you for watching.